adding a live lesson type to your course on Zenler. From your dashboard, go to Courses and down to your course and into Curriculum. From here we can actually link and add one of the lives, a live class or a live one-to-one, straight into your curriculum, making it very easy for your students to book for that event. You need to make sure that you have a live set up already to be able to add it into your curriculum. I'm going to just take you through the first part and then show you the live that has been set up for this. Let's click Add Lesson and let's put in here Live Class. We're going to click Save, and now we're going to click the Live option here. This will allow us to select any live sessions that have been set up from the live part of the course. You can also go and create a live directly from here. This will take you into the live section of the course to set up that live. Now I already have one set up, so I'm going to click the drop down, and you're going to notice under Live Class that I have a Course Creation Made Easy Live already set up. You'll also notice that if I had a one-to-one booking session in here, I could also pick that. Let's click this one here and click Done. Now this has been created and it has pulled in the information from the live. We'll take a look at it in a second, but before I do, I want to show you where this live is inside of the live section of the course. Let's click Live. Let's go into Live Class. Notice that we have a live class in here. We also have live classes that have finished or have not run. This is the most current live, and this is showing inside of the drop down inside of the live course curriculum. So this one is active. Please note you can only at this time use live classes and one-to-one bookings that you have set up inside of the live class type within your curriculum. Let's now jump back to the courses and show you how this is shown to your users. Back into curriculum. Down here you have your live class. We will now go to Preview and Course Curriculum as Students. Let's open up the other media and drop down to Live Class. You'll see that this is already in waiting for your student to book their spot on the course. When they click this, they will be entered into the live class. And because they are logged in, they will not need to enter email or a password. At this stage, when they've booked their spot, automatic emails will go out from the live, giving them reminders of when this event starts. Zenler has made it very easy to integrate the live aspect of Zenler into your courses. Please check out the live section in the support documents for a full breakdown on how lives work inside of the Zenler platform.